Hey cooks, we're outside today. Here's a quick setup using no lighter fluid, because we know you've been squeezing that bottle. Don't blow yourself up. Let's get started. Let's make sure our bottom tray is cleaned off. Then take any recycled paper or newspaper, twist it up and put it down as your base. This could be your water bill, your electric bill. Pay it first, but then burn it. Grab your charcoal. We use Kingsford, but use what you have. It all works using this method. Whoops! Get those papers back over here. Try to keep your paper in the center. The secret is to stack your briskets in a pyramid form. As you know, heat rises and your grill may look like this. Whoa! Okay, not an actual pyramid, but you get the point. Grab any briskets that fell on the outside and put them towards the middle to make your pyramid. And folks, patience is key here. 20 to 25 minutes will make a great fire with no toxic taste. To get a good long-lasting, even smoke, add these little fire starters. They're cheap. Sometimes we run out, so I'll show you a substitute in a minute. Yeah, we're getting low. I better put that on the next list. On your pyramid of charcoal briskets, place your fire starters in a formation of one in each corner and one in the middle, and use what you want. If you have mesquite wood chips, etc., go ahead, use what you have. Here's a substitute. If you need one of these fire sticks, they work just as well. Just break them down into pieces and you can use them just like the ones we used prior. I use the starter sticks to start all of the 5 fire starters we put in earlier, but once you're done, you can just throw it in there. Yep, no lighter fluid at all. And I do this for safety. You don't want to burn your fingers or, like we said, blow yourself up, so you can light the fire starters from a distance, and like we said, just toss this in when you're done. Yeah, the birds smell it. They're excited. Let your fire burn down with the lid open 5 to 10 minutes. Once you start to see your briskets turn a gray or ashy color, most want to throw their rack on. Nope, not yet. Close your lid, let the heat build up, and make sure your top and bottom vents are open halfway or all the way open. This could take about 10 minutes. Then you'll have a good smoke going on. Let's go ahead and open our grill. Now time to add your clean rack. Woo! Watch that heat, folks. Let the heat sanitize the rack for another 10 minutes, and then you're ready to start grilling. You've got a perfectly even fire all the way around, and we'll show you some examples of what we threw on the grill. This is why we use this charcoal method, cooks. We don't like the taste of lighter fluid or that smell in your meat or whatever you're cooking on the grill. And if you don't like propane, same thing, it has that taste. So this is why we use all charcoal wood chips, no fluid. We'll go ahead and put our chicken on now that our grill's prepped and ready. Remember cooks, this only took about 20 to 25 minutes, but it'll give you a long-lasting even fire. We'll spread our chicken out evenly. Normally you cook in the kitchen with us, but today we decided to do some outdoor grilling as we know summer's approaching. Also, this is our special grill sauce. Check this out in the description below. This will keep your fire down or your meats marinated while on the grill so they don't dry out, but they're tender and good. You thought we were playing, huh? No games here. Here's our finished chicken. We'll go ahead and pull this off as it's nice, tender, and juicy. We also had a great fire. We made some salmon as well. I wish you could smell this. Too bad. You can make your own. We'll show you how. Here's some fish we put on using our mat so it doesn't stick to the rack. It's non-stick. And as you can see, we can pull it up. It's fully cooked. It's got a nice thick crust on the bottom, and it's some fully smoked salmon. Thanks again for cooking with BNT. Whether it's indoors or outdoors, we always got your back. Check out our homepage on YouTube for some quick and easy recipes, or come to our website when you're ready to start your cooking journey. What are you waiting for? You could be cooking and eating this today too, and watching the planes and the birds fly by. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy that food.
Now that is gorgeously grilled. Okay, cut the feet and let's eat.
Too late.